What is MMDS? The Metro Manila Developmental Screening Test, or commonly known as MMDST, is a screening tool used to assess whether a child's development is appropriate for their age and to detect possible developmental delays among children aged 6 years and below. This test helps identify early signs of developmental problems that may require further assessment.
It is important for parents or guardians to understand that this test is not designed to measure intelligence. It is a screening tool used to determine if a child's developmental progress is within the expected range. Primary objective of this screening test is to identify possible developmental delays and evaluate 4 major areas of development.
According to Dr. William K. Frankenberg, the MMDST measures development in 4 domains: personal social, fine motor adaptive, language, and gross motor. The personal social domain reflects the child's ability to interact with others and perform basic self-care activities. The fine motor adaptive domain evaluates the child's coordination of vision and hand movements, such as grasping objects or drawing. The language domain assesses the child's ability to listen, follow instructions, and communicate verbally. Lastly, the gross motor domain focuses on large body movements like sitting, standing, walking, and jumping.
Before conducting the screening, the examiner must first make sure that the MMDST kit is complete. The materials included in the kit are the MMDST manual, test forms, a bright red yarn pom-pom, a rattle with a narrow handle, 8 1-inch colored wooden blocks in red, yellow, blue, and green. A small clear glass bottle with a 5/8-inch opening, a small bell with a 2.5-inch mouth diameter, a rubber ball measuring 12.5 inches in circumference, cheese curls, and a pencil.
Before administering the test, the nurse must determine the child's exact age on the day of testing. Age is considered the most important factor in this screening because it determines which test will be appropriate for the child. The MMDST has a total of 105 test items, although not all of them are applicable to every child's developmental stage. During the assessment, the examiner prioritizes tasks that intersect the child's age line on the test chart. Parents or caregivers should also be informed that the child is not expected to perform every task perfectly. Each test item is scored as pass, fail, refusal, or no opportunity. A developmental delay is identified when a child fails an item located completely to the left of the age line, meaning most children of that age can already perform the task. However, failing an item to the right of the age line is considered acceptable and does not necessarily indicate delay.
Good day, everyone. Today we will be conducting the Metro Manila Developmental Screening Test on a 5-year-old child named Duday. So we have here student nurse Judy Algaba who will be guiding the child throughout the test.
Hello everyone, I am Judy Algaba, a second-year nursing student from Tucson, Quezon. Today, I will be conducting the Manila Developmental Screening Test or MMDST on a child named Duday. So, good morning ma'am. I am Judy Algaba. So, today po, magkakandak po tayo ng screening test for your baby po. So, the assessment is called MMDST po or Metro Manila Developmental Screening Test. And this assessment po is not an intelligence test, but rather to check ang developmental stage po ng bata. So, okay lang din po na iwan si Don po sa pag-ipawin. Hi! So, ano ang name mo? Ano gusto mo na itawag sa'yo habang nag-interview tayo ngayon? Anong nickname mo? So, tawagin na lang kita na Ate Ace, okay lang. So, first is, meron ako dito. Anong kulay ito? Yellow. Okay, yellow. So, marunong ka na magsuot ng damit? Marunong ka mag-button ng button? Hindi. Pero gusto mo i-try. Marunong ka mag-button up. And ito, check. Hawak mo dito. Tapos pasok mo dito sa may wow, ikaw dito, isa pa. Tapos na natin ano nang ikaw magsuot? Ang damit?
Oo. Dahil masagot ko.
Sige. Try mo daw. Ito yung harap. Cute. Doon ba na? Pangat mo. Wow, so nice. Marunong pala ikaw na ano. So, ginabisan ka pa ni mami mo or hindi na? Ginabisan pa rin. Pero marunong na ikaw. Very good. Ikaw, tanggalin na natin. Next is mag-draw tayo ng square. So, marunong na ikaw. Yeah. Saan mas mahaba dito? Smart. I-circle. Nice. Yan ang pinaka? Malaki. Hindi malaki. Mahaba. Pinakamahaba. Pinakamahaba. Okay. Very good. So, anong kulay ito? Red. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Green. Blue. Blue. Red. Yellow. Green. Ito. Cute sila na cute. Ano kabaliktaran ng marinas? Okay, very good. Pag maitim, ano siya? Green. Okay, good. Pag mainit, anong kabaliktaran ng mainit? Gusto mo maglaro tayo ng ball? Pag-catch ikaw. Doon ka. Catch mo ha. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Isa pa. Last na. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Ulit. Para tatlo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nice one. Good job. So next, gusto mong gayahin ako. 10 seconds. Mag-count tayo 1 to 10. Tapos gayahin mo ano gawin ko. 1, 2, 3. Right. Left. Right. Left. Backward. Yay! Nice one. Jump tayo ha. 1, jump! Sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3, jump! Okay. Tapos jump tayo doon, pabalik ka, ay papunta doon sa harap ha. 1, 2, 3, jump! Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ilan naman ka? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Good job! So, good morning po ulit, Max. So, sa result po ni Duday, so in terms of personal, social po, since nagawa niya naman po lahat, so normal lang po and pasado po siya. Sa fine motor naman po, na fine motor adaptive, since naka-copy po siya ng square, ng circle, at saka naka-draw rin po siya ng man in 3 parts at saka 6 parts, then pasado po siya. After po niyan, sa language naman po, normal and pasado po siya sa lahat since naka-recognize po siya ng mga colors at saka mga opposite analogies at saka maka-define din po ng mga words. After po, last is yung sa gross motor. Okay naman po, pasado since pasado po lahat sa pag-balance ng 1 foot po for 10 seconds. Pag-hop sa isang foot lang rin po, pag-jump in place, pag-catch ng mga ball, at saka yung heel to walk, at saka yung backward heel to walk. So, overall,
After completing the screening, the examiner should ask the parent or the caregiver if the child's performance during the test reflects the child's usual behavior and abilities. The nurse should also record important observations such as the child's cooperation, attention span, verbal response, self-confidence, nervous habits, and the interaction between the parent and the child.
Delays are identified during the interpretation of the MMDST results. A failed test item is located completely to the left of the H line is considered a developmental delay. To interpret the results properly, the examiner should follow several steps. First, mark each delay by shading the right end of the corresponding test bar. Second, count the number of sectors that contain 2 or more delays. And third, count sectors with 1 delay without a passing item intersecting the H line. And finally, interpret the results accordingly to the established criteria.
The result should be explained to the parents in simple terms. If the child performs well, the examiner should reassure the parents that the child's development is appropriate. However, if several delays are observed, the child may need to be retested after 2 weeks. The results of the MMDST may be interpreted as normal, questionable, abnormal, or untestable depending on the numbers of delays observed. In this demonstration, the child passed all the items in the personal, social, fine motor adaptive, language, and gross motor sectors. Therefore, the overall result is interpreted as pass, meaning the child's development is within the expected range for her age.
The MMDST allows healthcare providers to communicate with parents about the importance of monitoring their child's developmental progress. It helps parents understand the developmental milestones expected as their child grows. The goal of MMDST is to help identify children who may be at risk for developmental delays, so early interventions can be provided. Early detection is essential because a strong developmental foundation helps children develop the skills they need as they grow into adulthood.
In conclusion, the Metro Manila Developmental Screening Test is an important screening tool that is used to identify children who may be at risk for developmental delays. Early identification allows children to receive timely intervention and improve their overall well-being.